Why this tree has no leaf? Because in 2018, I think, so if I am wrong, please correct me. In 2018, in Alberta, we have a very huge wildfire. Then this forest has been fired. That's why these trees are dead already. So it's gonna be make like 50, 100 years to grow up the tree like this.
Hi, I just came to hike in the Cameron, and then the mountain is already burned because of the wildfire. And then you see, I found a charcoal tree because it's already burned, and the tree itself is charcoal. You can see there is a black.
We saw some people running on the trail. That's good. So after 4.3 miles, we saw a signboard. Like we are coming for Cameron Lake, but we cannot make it today. It's too long. It's like 20-kilometer kind of thing. We are close to the lake, Anderson Lake. It's about 100 meters away from here, so it's very close. It so far is 2 hours 16 minutes from the Waterton town. It's good thing to the Anderson Lake they have a washroom, so you can do here something.
Oh, glacier!
So they have a still glacier at the Anderson Lake, and little bit foggy. Yeah, the people are camping. So this is the backcountry camping. So you have to book online or by call. Still glacier there. The glacier is not melt yet. Oh, this lake is beautiful.
I love
Oi, oi! Yeah. Almost there. Come on, keep coming. Magnet namjalo. Masado. No, the mine. Then you got more power. Keep going. Kay kapino. Ha. Water ba? Water ba ba? Ado ting ag short se ising ni taksal. Se ising taksal yogdor kitna nga asigi corner ji lai. Karaga taksal karaga. We are finally reached the lake, Karthew Lake, but you cannot see the whole lake. It's too foggy. And my wife is here. How do you feel, my dear? So this is our final destination, and then after the yeah, we are going back. So you feel good? That's good. Lunch is chicken, salad, and yogurt. We have yogurt, right? So Siler, take it out. And we have some Canadian Dry, ginger ale, and some water. So thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, and comment. Thanks. Khangna Uki Nongma Homa Mangaigi Mangkiba Mangla Namada Ningshingbana Honungai Halli Numit Kudingi Khanjari Asum Khalli Thingnarari Sakangnaragum Unsigi Mangsina Ngauhalamle Khangde Pungningshe Inauta Nawida Laitadare Akhoirangna Halle Punsille Kanna Pulle Tinahalle Hajabadingamde Michana Baikai Kauraone Yenglaone Nang Khangna Dringai Uki Nongma Mamangaigi Mangkiba Mangla Namada